This meditation is to help you get your weekend off to the best start. So take a deep breath in and close your eyes and take a deep breath out. And another deep breath in and a deep breath out. And just relax into your body. Now that you can start your weekend, just relax and savor this amazing moment of bliss. Now bring in incredible vibrational energy from all around you. It can be from above you, below you, from within you. It's all there and it is all welcome. Bring in this powerful energy and now push it all the way down gently into the center of the earth, into this incredible planet that is here to support you, nourish you, and provide for you all well-being from everything you can imagine. And bring back this wonderful, loving, abundant energy up and just bask in this wonderful energy from the earth that is so supportive and so nourishing for every part of your well-being. Now relax and take a deep breath in. And if you know how your weekend is going to go or whether you do not, it doesn't matter. Just ground every part of your being and ground everything you will get to do this weekend and ground enjoying having these days to do with as you need to, as you wish. And think of all the things you will get to do, whether you know them or not. Just send them so much loving blessing and send them so much gratitude. And whether you know if you will meet other beings or not, just ground them, sending loving support and guidance and happiness, and just be in a place of joy. And now, taking in your deep breath and releasing, think about how can I best use this time to align with my inner purpose? What can I do? What can I give to the world? What are my gifts? Please show me, whether you know them or not, so that you may keep expanding and make the world better through your gifts, through your contributions, however that may look. And now imagine your whole weekend. Put it into this incredible energetic ball in front of you and just add all the energy, all the experiences, all the feelings that you want to embody for this weekend. You can add more fun, you can add more nourishment, you can add more vitality, you can add absolutely anything that your soul is calling you to add in more of. More love, more kindness, more experience, more action. Whatever it is, just bring it in and imagine adding all of this into this wonderful energetic ball that represents your weekend. And anything else that you're called to add, put it in. And now I want you to take this wonderful energetic ball and just imagine releasing it everywhere into this incredible planet, into the universe, into every atom across all space-time dimensions and all realities. And make your intention known. This is the kind of weekend you want. So please give gratitude to everything wonderful coming your way. Allow yourself 100% freedom and release all resistance to your well-being. May you have the most wonderful weekend.